Hello, Lions, and welcome to Thrilling Thursday, January 4th. Wow, we are well into the new year, and I'm so happy about it. I'm Mr. Garcia, your assistant principal, and there is no other place that I would rather be than right here with all of you. So, welcome to this day, and now let's get started. Teachers, first of all, I wanted to thank you very much for getting your attendance and your lunch count in. It's always great to have that done. So we're going to start with a roar card for Angelina and Mrs. Messick, or actually her teacher, Mrs. Messick. This is from Mrs. Egger. As Angelina was walking to AR Exchange, another classmate tripped and dropped their books. Angelina turned around and helped that student pick up their books and checked to make sure that they were all right. Angelina, that is outstanding. That is real kindness. And Mrs. Egger gives you a little heart on there. She really appreciated that as well. The next one is for Athena in Miss Michaela's class. Great job following directions and getting back to work after break. Miss M. Great job, Athena. Proud of you for that. Next one is for Aurora Ortega Hernandez from Mrs. Sweeten. Aurora, you are doing the right thing, and Mrs. Sweeten thanks you for that. Gael, you are also doing the right thing. Gael Solorio, you were doing the right thing as well, Gael. Excellent job. And the next one is for Samaya. Samaya Valdez, Cherry, and in Mrs. Sweeten's class as well. Samaya, you were doing the right thing too. And so I just wanted to thank you all for all of that. And teachers, we really appreciate when you write a little something on the back here to let us know, give us an idea of what it is that the student did that was really outstanding. I know that there are so many things that you can write a lot of times, so try to narrow it down to just one or two things that that student really did that day, okay? That's our roar cards. Next are our birthdays. And let's see. So today is the 5th. And actually, no, today is the 4th. What am I saying? So we have Jesus Espino Calderon, a kindergartner in Miss Olensky's class. You turned 6 today, Jesus. Happy birthday. Next one is for King Kelvin Wiley. King is a first grader in Miss McCoy's class, and King turns 8 today. Happy birthday, King. Good job. And then we have a couple of birthdays tomorrow. No staff birthdays today. Looking at the food today, I did mention to you yesterday that we were going to be having lasagna yesterday. And then you went in and there were hamburgers, and a lot of you were happy about that. Some of you were like, hey, what's going on here? Guess what we did? We switched them. Yesterday was supposed to be lasagna. Today is supposed to be hamburgers. We switched it. Yesterday you got hamburgers, and today, guess what you get? Lasagna. Going to be great. It's once again house-made lasagna with steamed carrots, house-made salad, all kinds of great things for you, and I know everybody's real happy about that. Hey, tonight is a big night, family reading night, 5 to 6 tonight. Be there or be square. Bring your brothers, your sisters, your mom, your dad. Everybody gets to come in and enjoy a great family reading night. Parents, I will, kind of remind them when I see them that they are so important to reading to you, and it's so important that you have your parents read to you. I saw something in a classroom, can't remember just where it was, but the teacher was talking about how important it is for parents to take that time to read with their children. So you remind your parents of that is just irreplaceable. So I just want to thank the teacher. I can't remember who it was, but thank you for having that up there and letting parents know about that. Okay, so next we're going to talk a little bit about PBIS. Okay, so I have something here on my phone that I just wanted to jump into and show you. Okay, so let's see if you can see this. You see that? Okay, so that's safe, respectful, and responsible. Respectful, responsible, and safe. I kind of said them backwards, but they're highlighted right there. Remember those 3 key words, Lions. Everything that we're doing is about being respectful, responsible, or safe. So when you get a roar card, a roar ticket, it's because you were doing something that was being, very respectful or responsible or safe. And that's why you got the roar card. On the other side of the coin, when you get, a timeout, or when you get something, when you have, I don't know, maybe on the playground, you have to do a wall timeout, or you get in trouble, so to speak, right? It's because you weren't being respectful, responsible, or safe. So it is 2 sides of a coin, and so make sure you are doing the positive side of these things, okay? So work to get your roar tickets so you're recognized for doing these things, okay? And we're going to be coming back to these every day. This one happens to be about the playground, and so we'll talk more about that. Today, I wanted to jump over to something here. These should be in every classroom, okay? So once again, respectful, responsible, and safe. And so teachers, if you don't have one of these in your room now, let me know as soon as you can. Send me an email, or tell me in the hallway, I don't have one of those, and I'll make sure that we get one to you, okay? So you can put it in there. Students can be reminded of being respectful, responsible, and safe. Students, I want you to be thinking about those three words: respectful, responsible, safe. I might even ask you when we're out there, what are the three key components of PBIS, positive behavior, intervention, and supports? And I'm hoping that some of you can tell me, and I'll be real happy about that. Okay? All right. Now for a little kind of a joke here. Okay, so did you hear about the baseball player who was a bad sport? And why do you think he was a bad sport? Well, he stole third base and then he went home. So yeah, that's a bad sport. Don't want to do that. I'm going to take your ball and go home. Okay. So why don't we now stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? Everybody stand. Hats off, hoods off. Let's all stand. Okay. Hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. Okay, so once again, I just wanted to say, don't forget about family reading night tonight, 5 to 6 p.m. Be there or be square. Don't be square, be there, okay? Be here tonight when you come, okay? It's going to be great. And remember, you guys are all here. All of you that are here today, I'm very thankful that you're here. We love it when you're here. We need you here. Don't miss school, because when you miss school, right, you miss out. Don't miss out. Be here. Give us 100%, and I know that all of our teachers are giving you 100%. We are all giving you 100%, so you give us 100% of yourself. Try your hardest. Give your best effort. Persevere. I even was in a couple classrooms recently where perseverance was like the thing that was that you guys were going over and you were learning. So persevere and do your best, okay? Because remember, the world is a different place. The world is a better place because you're in it. So have a great day, Lions, and we'll see you around.